In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Apple account without a phone number. So if we go ahead and try to make another Apple account over here so that we're able to use iCloud, you will notice that it is going to ask us for our phone number right over here. And this section is actually mandatory over here, but there is a workaround that we can go ahead and use. So instead of using a regular phone number, we can use a virtual phone number. And a virtual phone number is basically having an online phone number and stuff like that. It's separate from your regular phone number. So if you don't want to use your regular phone number, you could use a virtual phone number instead, and then from there you're able to go ahead and actually create an iCloud account. Now there's many different services out there that offer virtual phone numbers and stuff like that, but in my opinion the best one to use is Google Voice. Google Voice, obviously it is created by Google, and let's go ahead and use it. It's also completely free. All right, so once you're here in Google Voice, go ahead and sign into a Google account like so. All right, and here's how it does look like. So you're able to go ahead and choose your number right over here. So look at this. It's going to say choose a number. Then you're able to pick a number, or you can pick a different one, or you could skip it. So let's just go with this one right over here. And then afterwards, it is going to ask you to verify your existing phone number. So go ahead and press on verify. And now what you need to do is you need to enter a phone number to link. So the way it works is that you need a original phone number in order to create a Google Voice virtual number. But again, those two phone numbers are separate. So what you could always do is you could ask an older sibling, you can ask a friend, or if you have a phone number, just enter it over here and it is going to send them a code, and all you need to do is enter the code, and then from there, you're able to get a virtual phone number. And then after you have your virtual phone number, then you could do this process, and then you should be good to go. You're able to create another Apple account and get more iCloud storage. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.